This is a multi-use cleansing powder called Saffron Brightening Cleansing Powder. This can be used for your AM and PM routine, and it's a gentle cleanser, finely milled powder which is perfect for exfoliation as well without stripping your skin or cutting up your skin. It's very easy and simple to use. Simply pour out the right amount onto your palm and add a few drops of water and form it into a paste. Once you have your paste, you can apply this directly onto your skin and cleanse thoroughly for 2 minutes. This cleansing powder is able to brighten up your skin. It is great for anti-aging, makes your skin look more luminous, cleans without stripping it, fights off any hyperpigmentation. Suitable for all, however, if you do have a high level of sensitivity, always do a patch test. It is anti-inflammatory, reduces discoloration, protects against sun damage, moisturizes your skin with finely milled powder to exfoliate. It is a multi-use product and can be used as a face mask as well from 1 to twice a week. There are some really amazing ingredients in here, such as Indian sandalwood to improve the elasticity and skin cells. You have got turmeric in there to provide that glow and luster. You've got coconut milk in there. You have got saffron in there, rice, oats, and also licorice. After cleansing or using it as a face mask, you can simply just rinse your skin with water, or you can go in there with a wet towel and remove it first and then rinse. This can be a part 2 to a double cleansing session when you are using an oil-based cleanser, or you can also use this on a daily basis for your AM and PM. This is a highly sought after product as it is multifunctional and provides you with 3 different product benefits.